see how it's gonna turn out first before I put it on YouTube. I tried to do it the other day when I came over here, but it was like upside down.
What was upside down?
Now, yeah. No matter how I tried to turn, it wouldn't not turn the right way. That son will blind boy. You standing around the wrong position. Oh, the tent back on the back window. Get a little shot of,
get them tens.
get a shot of the dragon. Can't leave the dragon out. I gotta get a shot of the dragon. Can't leave the dragon out the deal. That ain't right. Can't be focusing all the attention on Laura and them. The dragon gotta get some attention too. Gotta get the dragon some attention.
What's wrong with the nose? I messed them up.
Messed up the door, man. That what music say now. He say we done messed him up.
You got the wrong size speakers in the door, I guess.
Oh man.
Only 60.
That's all?
Hey y'all talking about so big.
Outside action. The dragon open.
Greg is cool this side for you.
Give him a little preview of the inside of the dragon a little bit there. Turn over 6, no, turn 6 and a tweeter. So I'm going back to 10 6 and 2 tweeters. Going back down to the back area. Got tweeters up the top. Old school horn in the middle. Got 8s and 4/8 and 2 selenium tweeters there. Got an amp rack back here, amps and everything. And got 2 12s back here, the tweeter. We got the 4 pine old school Pioneer 12 for the bass. You feel me? I'm saying Dragon ain't sleeping on nobody. You feel me? I'm loud, you know what I'm saying? Sitting high. Everybody got a little mama over there. It's all the speakers in the bumper so far that we done seen. But we don't want that either so far. We got speakers in the bumper. Black Solara. And we don't forget about, you know what I'm saying, that big boy over there gonna be coming in play soon. We got the Honda in here, little mama. Oh, they get a little sound from out the Dragon.
Out of sight, out of mind, cause he got time. And he ain't getting out till 2009.
So I don't hit a Dragon.
It's what they call me. Life is what I'm gonna see. Change in order for me to be free. Free. Well, that's what they call me. all the niggas that play with me here.
Gotta change in order for me to be free. Free.
Midway to the night. Niggas having babies. Niggas dying young, boy, shit getting crazy. We got drugs and guns, but a nigga need them. Prospect for that, so you can squeeze them. So his head and left him dead in the donut. He chose to rob, should've got a motherfucking job. Kids, that's what I pops, cause he got shot. Mama struggling with fly, not just slanging the cops. So crying low school, coast and bills are late. She need that was on her babies and they have an age. So she flex, catch a date, it's a duty though. She never hold, but it's the only way to go. Turn the trick and got a bet what food to eat. The bill is due on 1 week, so she get back on the streets. Get a check, but they ain't shit, but
That's how we do it.
food stamps in the wind, every shit spit.
Me and my dog.
That's what they call me. 10 to life is what I'm gonna see. I gotta change in order for me to be free. Free, free. That's what they call me. 10, 20 life is what I'm gonna see. I gotta change in order for me to be free. Free, free.
Oldest child is the son in his 7th grade, and he'll just be turning 12 on his birthday. Small boy with a brain to make a good life, and he don't need it nice, so he can function right. Just a need in the script, he gotta pull through. Quit school, snatch the book here for grads too. He wasn't going for school, now they won't let him back. Started hanging with them boys, now he's slinging crack. He got this young girl pregnant, what she gon' do? Have a baby, hope this nigga don't die too. The young niggas in the county on the 10th floor, jump by, broke them off with it. His first charge, so they gave him high stress. He better chill, cause he don't know the prison next. He left the crib one night, we're not hanging out. He wasn't home when them crackers came out of house. He up the road in the bar, what he had to do. But now he wildin' already doing his whole tour. His little shorty about to walk, soon to talk like the mom is the daddy, cause he's on the summer.
That's what they call me. 10, 20 life is what I'm gonna see. I gotta change in order for me to be free. Free, free. That's what they call me. 10, 20 life is what I'm gonna see. I gotta change in order for me to be free. Free,
He told the girl last summer that he gon' work. She let a nigga went back to that same shit. He caught the birth on the corner doing the same shit. She singing, you told the things, and I believe them all. They stay together, got a condo in CC. I want a man with a big screen TV. He making money, but he ain't saving no. I dropped the girl for the big Dodge Ram truck. He's 16, but he deep in the dope game. Got connections before dealing cocaine. He got a name, young girls coming around and this. Got robbed one night for this big lick. He had the up, he couldn't buck, so he gave it up. All this shit, 10 grand and his new truck. And now he back on his dick, but he pissed off. Knew the jack boy, gotta go and take him out. He got drunk one night and told the boys off in the hood.
That's how we doing down here today.
He riding around in the city with the same guy. Police pulled the boy, they booked him on the one. He making
Down here in the Dale, only in Lauderdale, and we out.